Travel the world with GAC Holidays. Pay later in easy EMIs. Call us for more details.
It's because your data of my LQ 10A, okay, in that you stated that from 2019, private firms and companies have been notified about 2,633 vacancies, okay. You gave your reply in that. Surprisingly, Speaker Sir, J1C of 24th July, this states that 8,896 youths got employment in the private sector. Okay. If 2,633 were only vacancies were notified, you say that they got from 2,633, how did 8,896 get jobs? Basically, your data is not proper. Sogle Sarkana. Speaker Sir, specifically LAQ 141 of mine dated today, the department in that, this was regarding to 80% reservation of jobs for Goans. In that, in your LAQ 141, in the reply, the department has stated that the Directorate of Industries, Trade, Commerce has not proposed any law to make 80% job reservation to Goans in private sector. The reply also further states that the reservation of 80% in jobs in private sector does not come under the purview of the department. Now I want an assurance from you. This is a serious, it looks like the industries minister is sleeping. If he's not proposed to you, why are you silent?
Position leader,
Will the minister give me an assurance that he will take proactive steps in the interest of Goans and come up with the law in which 80% jobs should be given to...
Prashna. Yes.
It's all I'm pressed.
Speaker, sir, as far as the reservation of jobs in private sector does not come under the purview of the Department of Labour and Employment, as we have stated. Now, further, the Director of Industries, Trade and Commerce have not proposed any law to make 80% job reservation in Goa in private sectors. That also is correct.
Exactly, Minister Bab. If they don't propose, you please coordinate. If it is a matter of only proposing and 80% people getting jobs.
Speaker, sir, I have not finished. I have not finished. However, Director of Industry and Trade and Commerce has implemented different schemes such as interest subsidy schemes on employment subsidy schemes where 60% go unemployed must to avail benefits of the scheme. See, as far as the Industries Department, I think the Industries Department Minister is not here. He will reply.
No, you please coordinate. You please coordinate. You can create history by giving 80% jobs to reservation. There is no coordination.
First, let us create history by getting this data properly.
Exactly, so you don't have, and even your department doesn't have your data that you have is not correct.
I assure the honourable members by
start question number 2A.
Get the data.
Start question number 2A.
Around Speaker Sir, Mukhyamantri tu sang bare.
चर्चा खूप झाली. प्रवीण आर्लेकर.
Answer दीजिए मरे. Will you come up with 80% reservation आते दिल्ली.
प्रवीण आर्लेकर.
तुम्ही पाहतात गोवा न्यूज हब.
Book your dream home in Goa with Priority Royale. Call us now